Okay, hello subscribers, this is your Johnny again. Today we have a train ride from station Praha Masarykovo. You can see that the first phase is already finishing and it will be opened by end of 2025. And once the operation will start on the new platforms and new tracks, renovation will move here to the older platforms and older tracks. Above us, the long bridge is so-called Magistrala. It's northeast highway type corridor in the city of Prague. We are departing from that and Masarykovo station. Oh, it's falling down. And going directly on the Negrely rail bridge or Negrely viaduct, which is more than 150 years old. We are currently on, and recently renovated, and heading to the Vltava river. As you can see, this is a cargo train. It's a long cargo train. Okay, we are back. Now we are crossing the Vltava river. Now we are already in station Holešovice, or neighborhood Holešovice, train station Bubny. Reopened a few weeks ago. It's a brand new. As you can see, we are in Bubny. And from here we will be going on a brand new double-tracked railway bridge. This is also 1 kilometer long, directly to station Výstaviště. It was also opened recently together with this station and this 1 kilometer long another bridge. It's getting darker and darker, so we will see if the video will be useful. Not sure. This is the original building that will be not demolished but transferred into a museum. now we are on the bridge, recently opened. We are passing through station Výstaviště. This is a fastened train, so that's it for now, and see you in my next video.